Answering common questions.
Why are keyboards in that order? Why not just alphabetically?
So back in the 1870s, typewriters were the new hot technology. And the first typewriters had mechanical arms called type bars. Hanging onto this rock. Ooh. If you typed too fast with the type bars, they would jam. The solution was the QWERT arrangement by Christopher Lethman Scholz. Why is it floating? Scholz rearranged the letters on the keyboard to slow down the typing process by spreading out commonly paired letters. The layout was patented in 1873 and became the standard of the time. Now, modern keyboards use the QWERT style because it's just familiar and widespread. Is this a fort? Whoa. So we can thank the typewriter and Christopher Scholz for a very strange arrangement of letters.